What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and it's Memorial Day, and I missed y'all. I've been sick all weekend, but we in here today. First up, over at Amazon, we have these gear wrench ratchets, and they have the articulating heads, and it's $79.67. I actually pulled this from Slick Deals, as you can see right here, and you can feel free to sign up for Slick Deals. Link is in the description. Won't cost you a thing. Just be sure that you don't spend too much time on here, because you will spend your whole check with all the deals that they have going on over here. So back to these, they have the articulating heads in there, 84 tooth, which means there's less travel in between turns. So not a bad deal there. According to the comments on Slick Deals, this has been hovering around 111, 113, something like that for weeks. So $79.67 is a good deal. That's a good deal on a solid triple set of good ratchets. So there you go, lifetime warranty and all that there. You can check the reviews. Moving on, we also have this little set if you want a budget. These do not have articulating heads, and they're 72 tooth ratchets. So, you know, just some basic ratchets if you needed something in a pinch. Moving on over to Ace, I don't have any deals in particular. I didn't search too hard because I found some other ones. But I do want to remind you that Ace actually has 6% cash back today with Rakuten for the Memorial Day weekend. In fact, Rakuten has triple cash back at a lot of places. So sign up for Rakuten using the link in the description. You'll get a bonus $30 on your first purchase. Now, going on over to Home Depot. Remember I told you guys about this, that it was coming soon or coming back. And it's been valid now for about 5 days. But again, like I said, I've been sick. So this is the DeWalt deal, buy one, get one. This is going to come with an impact wrench, which is one of the tools I would recommend anyway, especially in this 20 volt line. A 6 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, charge in a bag, and you get to choose from one of these as your free gift. Obviously, if you just wanted the impact wrench in this kit, find the most expensive one over here, which is this cutoff tool. No, it's another impact wrench. I like the cutoff tool though. When you put this together, this cutoff tool becomes $111, but just $299 for all this is really good. But if you want to just get the cutoff tool, this becomes $111. If you wanted to just get this, the irony is you're getting this free anyway. I can't believe this thing is $219. That's too much. But for hacking this mug, that's actually a good thing. We wanted it to cost a lot. So let's go ahead and check and see what this thing would be having that in a cart. It makes this bundle $172.59, which is an incredible deal right there. Let's move on. So we have a special buy today, almost similar to my very last video with special buy of the day over at Home Depot, which I didn't even get through all these, honestly. I got held up, but $199 for this. This is normally $229, $219, or something like that. Not a bad deal there. And these drill bits are those that come with the hex tips, so you can put them in impact drivers. I didn't see a whole lot new anyway. I obviously like these rigid impact wrench bundles, where especially this one you get the you get a 1/2 inch impact wrench and a 3/8 inch impact wrench along with a 4 amp hour battery. Same here, you get the subcompacts. Wait, are these the same? Now that just don't make any sense. That's weird. Why would you choose this $179 for some boots over a battery? Please get this one for $199. I don't even know why that's in there. I thought these were the mid torques and this is a subcompact, but I was wrong. You have this jigsaw and circular saw. I don't like that because there was the rigid right here, sold out unfortunately, $169 for the same little bundle with a bigger circular saw, better circular saw. And these have, their lifetime service agreements. So I'll leave this up. This is where I got hung up on. Okay, I got hung up on this and I didn't make it pass. But let's talk about this, because in the last video, so many of y'all tried to dog me when I said that this tool is inconsistent. And the two that I had, a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch, were weak. They just didn't produce any power whatsoever. But I've seen people, the reason I bought it, I've seen reviewers with no edits in their videos. I've seen this thing produce like almost 300 foot-pounds of torque loosening. So I don't know what y'all problem is. And somebody try to say I don't know how to use an impact wrench. That is hands down the easiest power tool to use, an impact wrench. But let's go through some of the reviews. I just want to show you guys. Okay, we're here, and I wanted to go through the 1 and 2 star reviews. Not breaking loose bolts or nuts at 35 pounds. First, let me say I'm an independent auto repair shop owner and a staunch Milwaukee fanatic. I own nearly every mechanic-oriented tool available from the Red Giant. I'm extremely pleased with all of them until this unit. Sadly, I have to agree with the many other posters here in saying that this right angle impact is sorely underpowered and downright unusable. There we go. Let's see, there's another one. As a buff Milwaukee fan on all the tools, I had to add this to my collection for mechanical work with the user with a 3 amp hour battery fully charged, and it was not capable of taking off any lug nuts. Let's go down here. It said tighten lug nuts to 60 foot-pounds with torque wrench and try it with this right angle 3/8 again to take them off. Nothing, just impacts with zero movement on all settings. That's exactly what I experienced, and it's just, this is all of them saying the same thing. All right, so again, I've seen them work. Now, we all know Milwaukee's been having some issues with their impact wrenches, like the 2767B, that the new ones that they're making, they're terrible. They do this, they act the same way, but then you have some that work fine. So I'm just saying that it's inconsistent. This is a great deal at $179. Hands down, that's what I paid for just tool only. Then you get a high output 2.5 amp hour battery. If you get a good one, it's gonna work well. I just say don't do like I did and wait 92 days to start using the thing, because now I'm just stuck with the thing. But at this deal though, I don't know. I might be buying something, and anyway, I'm gonna give me one at work. Anyway, moving on. Let's see what else they have here, because again, I've stopped looking. This is a good deal. This high-speed ratchet right here with the high output battery for $159, because again, there's normally $159 itself. I like this deal again with this die grinder. These are normally a lot more expensive. These are usually like $189 or $199 with the free battery. So that's a great deal. Oh my goodness. Then we have this hammer drill for $129 with the high output battery. Got some nice little deals going on over here. I like this deal with the angle grinder. I like this deal with the rocket light with these two 6 amp hour high output batteries. I like this router for $279. This is also a good deal, this hammer drill. But again, they have this starter kit for $199, and the same hammer drill, you can hack it. So if you only wanted one or the other, I would recommend doing that instead. This is not a bad deal for an impact wrench kit with this 2 amp hour high output battery. But and then you get the LSA. That's not bad. But me personally, Lowe's. Let me just show you guys. Lowe's has better deals on the Metabo HPT. Plus, Lowe's has Rakuten, right? So, and if you already got your Rakuten bonus, you can use Retail Me Now for 3% cash back. I personally will go this route. Like this or this. This is going to be a more powerful impact driver with 2 batteries, a bag, and a charger. Lifetime warranty, water and dust resistant. Better, I won't say better, better ergonomics, quieter tool, just better. This is all around better than a real legit lifetime warranty. And then I'm just gonna leave you guys to it, so you guys can go through and search through the rest of these. I don't like none of these DeWalt deals though. Well, actually, shoot, I take that back. I do like these DeWalt deals, because these sheet sanders, a lot of these tools are $99 on them in themselves, like by themselves. And these look like 4 amp hour batteries. These are like slim 4 amp hour batteries. Let's check this out. No, a 2 amp hour battery. Okay, well, it's better than them little dinky 1.5 amp hour, 1.3 amp hour batteries they usually give in the kit. So none of these are bad. But I would get something like this and an oscillating tool, this and a sheet sander, this and a reciprocating saw. Get something that you need, but don't the extra battery. I wouldn't do that. So Home Depot is coming with the heat today. Lots of good deals there. And then these just start getting ridiculous. So moving on. Over at Tractor Supply, we have these Porta Cables auto darkening welding helmets for $19.99. So what you want to do is add this to the cart, and then you come over here, change store, put in your zip code, and then look for all the ones that say pick up in store. So when they say pick up in store, you go there and you'll see more than likely that they're on clearance for $19.99. Buy it online. Use your Rakuten, okay? buy it online, and then go pick it up in store. Now, if you do buy this and you're using your racks and you're new to it, find something else. You got to get to $30 before you get your $30 bonus. Find something else to add to the cart, or just go somewhere else. Here's the thing. You don't have to spend $30 in one transaction. This will be $19.99. You can go over to Ace or Lowe's and buy something else for $12, and then boom, that's $30. It'll trigger your $30, right? So that's one way to do it. And then finally, courtesy of Slick Deals, once again, feel free to sign up. Won't cost you anything. It helped me out a lot if you did, though. These smart straps, ratchet tie downs, are free over at Northern Tool if you present this coupon in store only. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this video, I ask that you please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and I will see you guys next time.